Hi! This floating bed is a DIY acoustic panel, and this is how I made it.
I cannot believe it did so much!
I moved in this place and the previous owner left behind a double-sized mattress and a completely empty apartment, which obviously had a big reverb problem. So I thought, why don't I use the mattress as an acoustic panel to absorb reverb? This was my plan. Buy some wood, make a frame with a few supporting beams to insert the mattress in, install 4 hooks on the frame, install 4 hooks on the ceiling, hang the panel onto the ceiling using some metal chains, and cover the frame with bed sheets for maximum visual effect. You see, acoustic panels normally use insulation material like this to absorb sound from bouncing off the walls, but this mattress should work as good, if not better. I took some measurements and went shopping for materials.
I found the perfect wooden pieces.
I spent a total of 72 euros for wood, additional hooks, screws, and 5 meters of chain.
Let's go.
I got back home and got ready because it was time to cut, drill, and screw. Cut, drill and cut, drill and cut, drill and cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw, cut, drill and screw. The first bit of the frame was ready, so I tried to insert the mattress in, but oh boy, little I knew.
Messed it up so badly.
It wasn't fitting. There was a gap on the sides and the frame was not long enough. The build was turning into a giant fail. I almost lost any hope. I spent 80 euros already and hours of my labor. And there was just one last thing to try. And it was screwing the short sides onto the long ones. This time, the mattress was fitting perfectly. I went on with my plan, added the supporting beams, installed hooks on the frame, on the ceiling, and hung the bed. I also recorded me clapping in each state of the process, so I could certainly say that all of this wasn't just a useless time loss. So will it affect the reverb? And how much? The stakes are high already, and if I'd fail, I couldn't make this video. Which, by the way, is sponsored by you. Yes, you, who make purchases on my website. You can get VowelForm for just $3. And obviously you can find the full article with instructions on this build. And the breakdown it is. Okay, I can wait to do this. This is how an empty room sounds like. Okay. That's a lot of reverb right there. This is how it sounds like with the bad sound panel on top.
Oh my god! I cannot believe it did so much!
And then I added some furniture behind me. Let's take a listen. This is what it sounds like with some furniture behind me. And this is what it sounds like with my True Pro Secret. This is just perfect. I can call my friend and make some really cool podcasts with him.
Hey, hi. So what's the deal?
What's the deal with what?
With this True Pro Secret that you're talking about.
Oh, that's EPAL.
EPAL?
It's European pallets. Oh, what the heck? These are meant to support stacked goods for transportation. You know, forklifts. But EPAL is also perfect to reflect sound. So if you want to know how you can fix your home studio acoustics for cheap, I bet you don't want to miss this build. This one right here. If it's not there, just subscribe, don't worry. It's fine, just, I'm gonna make it.